Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a classic and essential word, black. Black is an A1 level adjective, and it refers to the darkest color, completely devoid of light. It's one of the first words many of us learn when describing colors and is widely used in everyday language. Let's look at some synonyms for black. Words like dark, jet, and inky can all be used in similar ways. For example, you might say, "The sky was dark before the storm," or "Her hair was as jet as night." These words convey a similar sense of deep, rich darkness. Now, let's explore antonyms. Words like white, light, and bright contrast sharply with black. For instance, you could say, "He chose a white shirt to match the sunny day," or "The room felt more open with light walls." These words help highlight the stark difference between black and its opposites. How does black appear in our everyday conversations? Think about clothing, for example. You might hear someone say, "I'm wearing a black dress for the party tonight," or "I need a new pair of black shoes." Black is also used symbolically, as in expressions like a black mood to describe feeling down or a black sheep to refer to someone who stands out in a group. These phrases show how versatile the word black can be. Here are a few more examples of black in sentences. The coffee was as black as midnight. She painted the room black to give it a modern look. The black cat darted across the street. Each of these examples highlights a different way we use black to describe color, mood, or even style. That's it for today's episode of Hello Word. We've explored the meaning of black, its synonyms, antonyms, and everyday usage. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I also have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using black and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks again for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.